What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Camille, if you don't know already. Today we are going to be doing a quick little wash day. I'm going to be using two new products that were sent to me by Curlsmith. I'm going to be using their Moisture Recipe Curl Defining Styling Souffle, try to say that 10 times fast, as well as their In Shower Style Fixer. These are both tongue twisters. So yeah, we are going to be combining these two products today, and let me just tell you, the results bomb. So go ahead and keep on watching if you want to see how I achieve this style. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and let me know in the comment section at the end if you enjoyed the results as much as I did. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Hey y'all, okay, so I just finished washing, deep conditioning, and detangling my hair. I'm not really going to talk about the products that I use to wash my hair today because I've already done a video on that and it's on my Instagram, so I've linked that below. You can go ahead and click that and it'll take you straight to the video. We're just going to get straight into what you came here for. Like I said, I'm going to be using the Curlsmith Moisture Recipe Curl Defining Styling Souffle and the In Shower Style Fixer. I'm not in the shower, but I just took a shower, so same thing. Also, I kind of switched my little setup around just because I have my little Christmas tree up. It's not finished. She looking a little bare right now, so I think I'm gonna add a few more things on there. And I kind of hate that my green ornaments look black, so like those little dark ornaments, you might see them, you might not, they're actually green. Anyway, we're not here to talk about my Christmas tree. So like I said, I have washed, deep conditioned, and detangled my hair. I also put my leave-in conditioner in my hair while I was in the shower, and I just sectioned it off in 4 sections. It's still wet, and I'm gonna start in the back like always. Also, after I detangled, I twisted it up in these 4 little twists just so it could stay stretched out and detangled, and all of my leave-in has soaked in, which I'm happy about. So I'm not really sure how I want to apply these. It smells good. Okay, so the Curl Defining Styling Souffle has a level 5 hold, and the In Shower Style Fixer has a level 10 hold. So this is like a bouncy hold and this is a strong hold, and this is like really jelly. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, and it's kind of like, yeah, so it's like really jelly. Okay, don't play with your products. And this one is also clear. This one kind of has like a white-ish kind of color to it, so it may have like some type of cream or something in it. I don't know, but it says enhance, anti-frizz, and bounce. It's good for curly or wavy hair. And this is styling gel for curly and wavy hair, strong hold, high definition, anti-frizz. So I'm going to be combining these two products. I've heard really good things about this product combo. Also, thank you to Curlsmith for sending me these products. I'm really excited to use them. I also have a few more products from them that I'll be using later on. I'm going to start in the back. I'm gonna try not to use any styling tools. I'm going to try to only finger detangle, so I think I'm going to take about fingertip work. Start at the ends and just kind of rake it through. It feels really good, and I will say that it's very slippery. Sometimes, you know, if you apply gels to your hair, it'll kind of start to tangle up. Okay. I think it's doing something. It might not. Okay, so on top of that, I'm going to apply some of the in-shower. I promise you, saying this is like a tongue twister. In-shower style fixer. About a fingertip amount. Once again, don't know why I'm showing you this because it's clear and you really can't see it. And starting on my ends and working my way up. Okay, there we go. Look at that. So I can see my curls are starting to clump. And that is a good sign. I think I want to apply a little bit more of this, the stronger gel, on my roots. Just to lay it down. Okay. I actually think this is going to be a really good combination. I don't think I'm going to shingle my hair this time. I'm just going to smooth it on and let the products do what they're gonna do. So I'm gonna do one more section. And then I'm gonna speed on through this. So I'm going to take a little bit of the styling souffle and rake that through. It's kind of hard to pick this up. Alright, so my camera died. I had to change the battery. So now I'm going to do one more section and speed through it. So I'm going to take this small section. Also, as I was doing that, my last section, I applied some more water, and I noticed that the products kind of got foamy. I don't know if that's something that I did wrong, or if it just does that if you add too much water or something. I don't know. So, not gonna do that. So, first, I'm going to apply the defining souffle on my hair. I didn't add any extra water on this section. I really don't need to because my hair is still wet. It's just sometimes when I use other gels, my hair needs to be like soaking wet in order for it to do what I want it to do. And like I said, I'm not going to be shingling my hair. I'm just going to apply the products and let it do what it do on its own. And if you don't know, shingling is when you take it like small sections at a time and you twirl the ends around your finger. And it just helps to define it just a little bit more. But I kind of feel like on some of these, I might need to. But yeah, so this is what we're looking like so far. And I can tell, especially like down here at the bottom, where the products have started to absorb, my curls are popping. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed through me doing the rest of my hair and let you just watch how I apply the products. Then I'm going to sit under the dryer and I'm gonna come back and we're gonna see what it's looking like. And we're gonna see if this is a bomb product combo or if it is a fail for my hair. But then again, you know, it could be user error, but probably not. Okay, so I just got from under the dryer. This is what my hair is looking like right now. I will say, first impression, my hair is very soft and it doesn't have any type of crunchy feel to it. My roots are a little fluffy, but I know my hair is gonna have some volume once I stretch it out. Also, I didn't really go in and shingle every single piece like I normally do when I do my wash and goes. I just kind of did the praying hands and then just kind of raked it through. Some of them I did have to kind of help out a little bit because my problem area is like right here in the front of my hair. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and stretch it out and then I will give you my overall thoughts on the products. Alright guys, so these are my final results. I love it. I really do. I really have nothing negative to say about these products. Like I said, the Style Fixer is a level 10 extreme hold, and the curling jelly, the styling souffle is a level 5, like a medium bouncy hold. I think the combination of the two, this is probably one of the best wash and goes, like feeling wise, that I think I have done in a very long time. My hair is really soft and my ends have a really good hold. My hair is nice and shiny, so I know it's very moisturized. So overall, I give this product combination a 10 out of 10. I would definitely be pairing these two in the future for a lot more wash and goes later on. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was short, sweet, to the point. Go on and grab some of these products and try them out on your own. Yeah, I think that's all I got. So I'm in love with my results. Now I'm about to go wrap my hair up and go to bed. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button down below. And also check out the washing products that I used by clicking the Instagram link below. That will take you directly to that video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.